Good morning students. We have completed of 12.2 up to question number 6. Now today I am going to tell you about question number 7, and what is that? That is express the following numbers in usual form. They are given in standard form. Write the numbers in usual form. So how should we write that? Look at the board. This is exercise 12.2. Question number 7. 6.08 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Write these in usual form. They are given in standard form. So how should you write it? Better, this is equal to 608 upon 100. Remove the decimal first, into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now these two zeros also, when we take it on the numerator, then they get negative power. 608 upon 10 raised to the power minus 2 into 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 2 into minus 6. अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 608 into 10 raised to the power minus 8, because when two power we take in the numerator, they will get negative sign. So minus 6 into 2 is, this is minus 8 power. ठीक है? तो what is it now? This is what? 608 divided by 10 raised to the power 8. Or you can, so after 8 digit, 608 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8. 8 zeros. So what is it? After 8, before 8 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Decimal should be just before 8 digit. So like this, 3 digits are these, 608, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the usual form. Answer is this. So how should you write in usual form? First you remove the decimal and then take all the powers in the numerator, in the denominator, and then put the decimal just before the number of zeros are there. 8 zeros are there, so before 8 digit decimal should be there. In this way you can write the any number in usual form. So all the parts of this in the same way. 7th question complete, you can complete it. Now look at question number 8. Question number 8, beta, we have to write this number in power notation. Power notation means standard form. Write it this in standard form, because decimal is there. After 6 you can write 0.0, just like 2 can be written as 2.0. In the same way 154 can be written as 154.0, because decimal can be put after the last digit. So now move this decimal from here to this place. In standard form, the first digit should be the digit just before the decimal should be non-zero. तो डेसिमल कितने डिजिट यहाँ आया है? इट इज़ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 डिजिट. Decimal travel 6 digit, and then there is place of decimal from here to here. 6 digit are there, so you have to multiply by 10 raised to the power 6. So this is the answer. In the same way, next question also, ये 8th A है. Now 8th B part is also in the same way. What is that? This one is 534,329, write in standard form or in power notation. 534,329.0. that I am from my side, it is from, I write it ki 0.0. Now write it like this, 5.34329. Decimal traveled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. So into 10 raised to the power 5. This is the answer. In this way, these are the numbers in usual form, and you write all these in standard form in this way. Next question है बेटे, applying thoughts, B part. First question is this, कि size of a cell is 0.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 millimeter, this one. And the size of eukaryotic cell is 10 micron. तो find the ratio of both. ये तो है size of prokaryotic cell, that I forget to written here, size of prokaryotic cell, and now size of eukaryotic cell. It is given 10 micron. What is the point is there? In this question, this size is given in millimeter and this size is given in micron. So change millimeter into micron. When you multiply millimeter by 1000, then it will change into micron. Take care of this. 1000 means 10 raised to the power 3, and minus 3 is this and 3 is this. So both are cancelled. It is 0.2 micron. Now compare the ratio of their size. Ratio is what? 0.2 upon 10. This is also in micron and this is also in micron. And you know very well कि रेशियो की कोई यूनिट ही नहीं होती. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटे? 0.2 बाय जो भी आएगा सोल्व दिस, इसमें आ जाएगा आपका आ जाएगा 0.2 बाय 10. दिस इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन 100. This is what? Because 110 is there. 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. This is the answer. The ratio of both the size of cell is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Next question है, find the total thickness of a book with 625 pages without the book cover. If the thickness of 100 sheets of paper is this, तो find the total thickness of the 625 pages. So thickness of 100 sheets of paper is given, find the thickness of 625 pages. In this way you can calculate it. Now third question, try it by your own. Question number 3 is, how many molecules of water will be there in 320 gram of water if 1.8 gram of water contains this much molecule? So I am writing on the board this. क्या given है इसमें? Number of molecules in 1.8 gram of water. Number of molecules in 1.8 gram of water is what? ये 6.1 mole, 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 22, this much. अब लिखो number of molecules in 1 gram of water is what? 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 22 upon 1.8, and the number of molecules in 320 gram of water ये आ जाएगा this one upon 1.8 into 320। तो बेटे सोल्व करो इसको। What is it? Remove this decimal, तो what should be there? 1 2 3 3 zeros are there, and remove this decimal, then 1 0 is on the into 10 करेंगे तो what is it will be? ये आ जाएगा 6023 into 10 raised to the power -3, ये ऊपर आ जाएगा ना, into 320 into 10 upon 18, and what is it? ये हो जाएगा 3 raised to the power, ये 10 raised to the power 22 भी है बेटे, into 10 raised to the power -3, तो आ जाएगा 22 - 3 19, और 110 इज दिस, तो ये हो जाएगा 6023 into 10 raised to the power 19 20 into 320 upon 18, and what is it? यह आ जाएगा आपका 10, आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन you will get 107,075.5556 into 10 raised to the power 20, and write it in standard form। यह आ जाएगा 1.070 into 10 raised to the power 25। बस अप्रोक्सीमेटली लिख दो, दैट इज एनफ। दिस इज द आंसर। In this way you can attempt it। Number of molecules in 1.8 gram water, then number of molecules in 320 gram of water, and write the answer in standard form। Now last question of 12.2, that is fourth question. It is what should be multiplied with 20 raised to the power -2 so that the product is this। तो let 20 raised to the power -2 multiplied with x so that 20 - 2 into x is equal to what? 1/5 raised to the power -9। तो बेटे क्या हो जाएगा, ये 20 को चेंज करो, प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 20 2 into 2 2 = 4 4 5 = 20, 2 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power -2, और ये क्या हो जाएगा 5 raised to the power 9, माइनस पावर है ना, तो टेक द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ -5। नाउ व्हाट इट इज 4 into 5 -2, 4 raised to the power -2 और 5 raised to the power -2 into x इज इक्वल टू 5 raised to the power 9। x इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 5 raised to the power 9, ये इंटू 5 raised to the power 2, ये बेटे 1/5 है ना ये, तो ये इधर जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, ये दिस ऑल्सो इंटू 4 raised to the power 2, तो x इज व्हाट 5 raised to the power 11 9 और 2, और ये 4 raised to the power 2, और यू कैन राइट 5 raised to the power 11 into 2 raised to the power 4, because 4 is what 2 square, तो दिस इज द आंसर। or you can write this one. Both are possible. But if you want to write, so 2 raised to the power 4 is the best answer, or this is the. So now beta we completed the chapter 12. So now we stop here. Till then, bye. I will discuss later on in next lecture.